To create a chart or represent graphically a set of values that we typically have in a tabulated form, Excel have a tool for this. So, we choose the range that contains our data. In this case, here I have selected even the headers of these columns. We have income and consumption. With this, it will be tremendously easy to insert, for example, a column chart. We have a group in charts. We have different types, and the simplest, the column chart, is first in the list, twad columns. And as simple as that, we have represented all the data. We have represented them with blue columns, the income value, and with red columns, the consumption value. It has adjusted the scale, and here in the ordinate axis it has represented some calculated values that work well. And at the end here it has put some labels of the positions occupied by each of these data, in such a way that something that we can see in the numbers is that they are numbers that are approximately growing. Here we can see a slump. But if we want to get a quick overview of how this set of numbers is behaving, we see that here we have this slump, but that the trend over the years is clearly positive. And that is what a chart is for. It is a tool that Excel gives us so that we can quickly and easily create a chart at any given time that gives us visual information, complementary to the exact figures, the numerical data we have in the table.